What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Maz Vibes, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm gonna get a haircut. This is gonna be a hair video. It's gonna be a haircut video. As you can see, my hair look a mess right now. So,
Yo,
yeah.
Maz, shut up. This is Moody. Let me take over this video, man. First of all, what I'm doing over here is, I'm putting my hair on a bun up there just to get it out the way, you know. This the person who cut my hair is my brother, you know what I mean? He know how to cut hair, I know how to cut hair, so he cut my hair, you know what I mean, and I cut his hair, you know, that's just like saving money, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to go to the barber shop and spend all that time. Come on, time and money, man, you gotta wait online, so come on, man, you know what I'm saying? That's right there. Me and my brother cut our hair at home, you know what I'm saying? That's more money in our pockets, more money, more money, more money. You understand what I'm saying? More money, less problems, you understand what I'm saying? Yes, now what you see over here is, it's just like, you know, we got the smoke clipper, you know, just going from like up, down, you know, just simple things, simple, you know, this is what you call a taper, you know what I'm saying? Really, this haircut right here is my favorite haircut because I can style my hair. You know, I can put it in a man bun, I can twist it, I can, you know, my hair's curly already, so, you know, I can just get the curls going on, you know what I'm saying? Fuck waves! Fuck 360. No disrespect to nobody out there, but, you know, I don't fuck with that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but no disrespect, though, you know what I mean? If you're doing it, cool, man. Hey, but yeah, let's get back to the video again, son, yeah. Now he's doing, the hairline, you know, as you can see. I'm saying, I was like, yo, don't mess up my hairline. If you do that shit, I'll be bad as hell. But yeah. He's doing, you know, he's doing a great job, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Professional with the clippers. Yeah, that's how it is, man. As you can see, the front hairline is all together. You know what I mean? Yeah. See that? Yeah. I'm telling you right now, man. I ain't got that LeBron shit on me. LeBron ain't got shit on me. Hairline is straight as hell, you know? Yeah, you see that? It's done. You know what I mean? Subscribe and like, and rest in peace, Nipsey, and fuck Shitty Cuz. That's on me!
What's good?